Hello, welcome back to my channel. You are watching EcoFina TV. Hello EcoFina family. Today marks the beginning of October, and as we all know, October is the dedicated month for breast cancer awareness. As an environmental scientist and the founder of EcoFina TV, I always remind us that the environment goes hand in hand with protecting our people, or the people that lives in it. So this year's theme for the breast cancer awareness is my why, and my why is very simple. I believe as an environmental scientist, as we care for the environment, we must as well do for the people that lives in it. You know what? Health and environment goes hand in hand. So this October, I stand with the people and our mothers, our sisters, our beloved ones that is battling and fighting breast cancer. And I want to encourage them with hope and assurance that there is always a way, and there is always and there must be a way. So no, don't be shaken and don't be saddened, because there is hope on the way. You know what? I always think about this. Breast cancer is not just a statistics. It touches families, communities, and also lives. That is why I encourage you, my EcoFina family, to also create awareness, spread awareness, and support those in the battle and fighting for their lives. Where there is cancer, there is also courage, care, and treatment.